In this video, I will show you how to turn on underline access keys in Windows 11. So very simple and easy way. Click on this Windows start icon. Then here click on settings. Now in this left side panel, select accessibility. Here click on keyboard and underneath on-screen keyboard access, you will see option underline access keys. Access keys will be underlined even when not holding Alt. So to turn on and enable, just slide the setting to on. If you see this is disabled, so slide to on position. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.